Hi YouTube, this is a quick video about the Dell repair I just did. This is Dell Inspiron 153511. Looks like a pretty common issue on this when the hinges snap off of the top cover. So instead of replacing the top cover, I actually glued them with the two-part epoxy glue. This is the one I use. It worked really well for me in the past. So just mix it up, put it on and clamp it together. So I put enough so the hinge is attached to the metal part here and also goes through and it attaches to the plastic. So it's pretty solid. I think in my books this is actually about as good as replacing the back cover, if not better. Because this is a kind of design flaw on all these Windows computers when the plastic just breaks there, and they will break. But what I want to talk about actually in this video is if you do this kind of repair, if you glue it or if you replace the back cover, make sure that these hinges are not super tight. So one of the hinges, that was probably the main reason why it broke. It was really tight. One was pretty good. I'm not sure which one was tight. So it was like really hard to twist with your hands. So that's why it was applying too much pressure to the mounting points, and that's why it snapped off basically. So make sure you need to feel the resistance, but it should not be too tight basically. So resistances should be there, but the thing is the screen is pretty light, so you don't need too much of a resistance here. Okay, and in order to loosen up the tension, what you need to do is there's a nut. You can use the special nut, or I use just the pliers, and you just pick it up and move it counterclockwise. Okay, just twist it that way a little bit. So you should do a little bit at a time and just feel the resistance. When it loosen up, you're good to go. Just make sure that they are not super tight, because that will put more stress on the LCD. Like this one. Let me loosen up this one a little bit. Like take it like that and counterclockwise a little bit. Move it a little bit counterclockwise. Okay, so that's a little trick you need guys to do in order for these hinges not to break again from the top cover. So thank you very much. Hope it will help you guys one way or another. And if you like my videos, please subscribe and please hit that thumbs up button. It helps grow my channel. And have a lovely day, guys. Thanks. Bye.